Hi everyone and welcome back. In this lecture I will explain how to generate dynamic file name. So basically dynamic files help us to organizing the data based on date wise, batch wise, source wise, and also we can maintain the data based on environment wise also. Now I will show you how to generate this dynamic file name using Informatica. So first go to data integration service first. So first create mapping. So create mapping. First here you need to provide mapping name. Dynamic file generation. So here I take source one relational table. Click on this drop down. I choose this connection and select object. So I choose employees table. Now same way select this target option, then choose this target connection. Now we don't have any file structure exit in this particular target connection. Now I'm going to create one dynamic file. In previous lecture I select this option, right, static file name. Now I choose this particular use a dynamic file name option. If you select this option, automatically we have some more additional options available here. See, so before that, first format your file. Select this formatting option. Choose delimited. Column separator you need to select here. I select semicolon. I don't need any single quote, double quote, so I choose none option. Click on OK. Once you choose formatting options, now we need to generate dynamic file. How to generate? So here these fields, actually these fields exist in the source, but I don't need these fields. I need system variables. So system variables, we have different options like current task name, current run ID, session start, sysdate, current mapping, current task ID. By using these system variables, I'm going to generate one dynamic file name. How to generate? I need initially file start with ff employee tzt. So this is initial first starting name of the file. After that use pipe symbol. So this is a concatenator operator. So in between these files I need one underscore. Okay, after that again concatenate operator. Now these files I will join this file name with today's date and time. Okay, for this one I use to underscore char function. Now I captured today's sysdate, so that's why I use this particular variable sysdate variable. Now I will provide this particular conversion. So type of the date format. So which type of date format you need to provide that format here. I need YYY month, date, and time also I need. Okay, why? Because if I run every 1 minute, I want to capture the time also. Okay, so that's why hours, 24 hours. I need minutes as well along with seconds. That's it. So this particular to char function, so it captures sysdate. Okay, it captures sysdate. So whatever sysdate we have in the system, it's capture and convert as per this particular format. So now close this one. Again concatenate operator. So which format you want that particular file, you need to provide that particular format. I need .csv. You need to provide single quotes .csv. Okay, now validate. If you perform any mistake in between here, see, if I remove this one, automatically it will provide this particular option. See, here we have error, so it's automatically provide this particular symbol. It means here we have error. So let's suppose if I remove this one and I correct this one. Now see where exactly this error is showing. See, wherever you provide the error at the time this particular symbol is displayed. Based on the symbols we can identify where exactly error is. Okay, so here error is. So this way also we can identify errors in syntax. So now validate. See, expression is valid. Click on OK. That's it. So we don't need to choose any other option. Just simply writing this particular expression here. Okay, based on this particular function. So that's why functions also very important. Now click on OK here. Now validate. Field mapping is not required. We are creating file at runtime, right? So that's why now we need to select this particular mapping name, go to mapping task, provide name here, followed by mapping name, choose runtime environment. So next, don't choose any other options. Now save it. Once you save, click on run button. So before that, go to target file path. So if you have any file exit, you need to check that one. Right now only this file with the dates, we don't have any file. Now go to data integration, click on run button. Now go to monitor. Now refresh here, refresh running status. Now see rows process status is succeed. Now go to target path. Now see, now time is 12:07, right? Now it means now 12:07, before 12:06 is captured, right? Now again see time 12:07. Now again I'm going to run this particular mapping task. So again I am going to run. Now time is 12:07. You ignore this time. This is server time. Okay, don't check this particular start time and date option. Actually whatever system date we have, we need to capture that particular date. See 12:07:44 seconds. Okay, 12:07, 12:06. So this way also we can generate dynamic file name. This way also we can generate dynamic file name without overwriting the data. Okay, see, if run each and every minute, it captures entire data. Okay, so this way we can generate dynamic file name. So if you have any queries related to this particular dynamic file generation, please post your queries in the question and answer sections. I will update on those particular queries. So that's it guys. Thank you.